Hello, my name is David. Welcome to Baking Basics, and today we'll be talking about lamination. We will start by rolling out our butter. This is so we can easily incorporate into our croissant dough. We then roll out and flatten our croissant dough as much as we can by hand and start to incorporate the butter. Ensure your dough is double the size of your butter. Use the heel of your palm to gently flatten the edge of the dough. Then fold the dough on top of the butter and use your rolling pin to flatten out the dough. Score the side of the dough when you are satisfied with how flat the dough is. This is called a lock-in. Now run the dough through the dough sheeter. Do this as many times as necessary before it is flat enough to begin the double turn. Trim the edge off and fold one small end of the dough over itself. Then the other longer end over the remaining length of the dough. Score each end and then fold it over itself once more. Score each end again and run it through the machine until once again flat. The next step is the simple turn. Once the dough is flat again, trim off the edge, then fold one end over itself. Then the other end. Score the edges once more. Then let the dough rest in the cool room. The very last steps are to shape and bake our croissant dough. After a rest, lay your dough out on a cool surface and trim the edges. Next, cut the dough into even triangles. Stretch out each triangle before taking the widest end and rolling it into itself. This can be done in a few different ways to create different croissant shapes. Leave each shaped croissant on a rack and brush them with egg wash. Then leave to proof for about 2 hours before giving it another wash and baking. Brush them with sugar syrup once out of the oven and enjoy. Thank you for today, guys, and I'll see you soon. Au revoir.